My name's Robert, I've got Andy and Susan here with me today. Welcome to this new development at 116 Dorking Road in Box Hill North. Well, these 4 luxury residences certainly can cater to every buyer's need. Property number 1 at the front of the development has its own driveway and street frontage, of course. Garage space, 2 bathroom, 4 bedroom with a master bedroom downstairs.
All of these wonderful homes are fitted out with Bosch stainless steel appliances as well as stone bench tops. They feature soft close cabinetry as well as floor to ceiling tiles, and for all of your heating and cooling needs there are split systems throughout.
The middle 2 properties, 2 bedroom, different floor plans, can cater to a different style of buyer and what you may need in your next home.
The location is second to none. Zoned for Box Hill High School, moments away from Box Hill Central and Box Hill Gardens, and just a short 6-minute drive to Westfield Doncaster Shopping Centre.
The back property, nice and private at the rear of the development. Upstairs, catering for a 3rd potential bedroom, a really large living space that could be converted, but 2 great size additional bedrooms there as well, and a great outdoor entertaining space.
Thank you for coming on the tour of these luxury residences. Whether you speak English, Mandarin or Vietnamese, our friendly team are here to assist you.
Chia Dai in the Guangli.